This is the true story of 6 court members picked by a deformed tyrant to be part of a murderous, malicious scheme. What happens when rulers stop being polite and start getting real.
All our secrets, they are
I just wooed Lady Anne. You will not believe how well that went. Basically, I used my charm, my wits, my good looks to convince her to marry me, even after I killed her boyfriend and her father. Yeah, she started off hating me, but in the end, she loves me, and boom, got her.
Let's get something straight about Richard. First of all, he thinks he's really charming. No, not at all, actually. And if he thinks he's even remotely good-looking, then I don't know what's wrong with him. I mean, he killed my husband. Does he really think that I'm okay with that? The only reason that I agreed to have him put a ring on my finger is so I could stay in this house and keep my status.
She totally went for it!
I didn't buy it.
Richard totally thinks we're bros, and to be honest, I'm not in it for friendship. I need what I want, and I need property and money. If I have to help Richard get what he wants to get what I want, then that's fine, but we're definitely not friends.
Finally, I have an ally in this court, but I still don't understand why he's asking me about all this money.
His smooth talking's really not doing anything for me. Like, he thinks he's winning me over with all these lines, but I just need my money. Richard doesn't know that I know exactly what he's doing. I know all of his plots and his schemes. I'm just playing dumb. If he doesn't know that I know, then I stay safe. If he knows that I know, then I get killed. It's pretty simple. As far as I'm concerned, I have him in the palm of my hand.
Hastings is eating it up. Every single word that comes out of my mouth is gold to him. I got him just the way I need him.
So, Richard just got finished talking to us about his plans for the house.
Yeah, he's really starting to scare us.
I don't know if he thinks we're noticing about the whole killing thing, but... So I just had a little chat with Rivers, Vaughn, and Gray. Everything's under control. They're willing to do whatever I tell them. There's no problems here.
We need to get out of here.
So apparently Richard wants to marry my daughter now, and he's offering me all these things as if it's going to make up for everything that we all know he's done in the past. And let's be honest, it doesn't. He's not persuading me by any means, and I'm only going along with this because I want my title back, and I want grandkids.
So one more check off the list, my very long list. Everything is going as planned. The whole niece thing, that was a little hard for her to accept, but eventually she gave in to my smooth talking. Yeah, basically everything is going as it should.
I still don't know where all this money is, the movables, what he's talking about, but I better start seeing it soon or I'm out of here.
And by the way, he's Snores at night. Who would love that?